We want our plants to be healthy and happy, and there's nothing more happier for a plant than having its, pot cracked open at, what time is it? 9 o'clock at night. I would be furious and be like, what the heck is going on here? Why is this guy always doing this crazy stuff? Oh, I can see where that aerial root, that big thick aerial root, is going into the side there. I'm going to try to loosen up a little bit around there, and I don't want to tug at it too much because I don't want to tear at it, but I do want to make sure that there's a lot of space, and I think that that's good. I mean, it's pretty much just a root ball at this point, but by loosening this up, it will allow for the plant to continue its growth pattern, to continue to grow larger and bigger and stronger. That's right, Monstera siltebacana. I honestly thought when I first got this plant, like I showed you guys in the first video from over a year ago, that I didn't think it was going to survive, and I really did not continue to think that up until I put this trellis in there and I started wrapping it around, and man, oh man, does this thing love it. And I really love the way that it looks in this trellis.